Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful mixer trucks step by step. Let's start drawing. First, to finish drawing, draw the front of the truck, stretch marks, the front window of the truck, Now I will draw these track wheels. I will draw beautifully and in circles. I will draw another wheel. Drawing the back of the truck. Now I will draw a big mixer, like this. Wow, awesome! I'll draw a few lines nicely. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Orange color. I am using the orange color truck for the first time. Wow, that's great! Light blue color on truck windows and other places. I'll put light purple color through the wheels. And I will give yellow color to the round part in the wheel. Red color. The first color of the truck mixer is red. I will use red color here too. Green color. I will give you the same color. Pink color. The color pink is a favorite of children. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!